Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will quickly show you how to change your BingX referral code and join under a new referral system. First, open the BingX app and go to your profile section. From there, find the referral option and check your current code. If it is empty or you want to change it, you can update it or proceed with a new account using the referral link. Next, click the referral link and create a new BingX account using a fresh Gmail that has never been used before. Once you sign up through the link, the referral code will automatically be applied. After that, go back to your account, open profile, verification, and complete the identity transfer process if required. You may need to enter codes sent to your email and phone to confirm to change. Once everything is done, your account will be linked under the new referral system, unlocking benefits like reduced trading fees, VIP accesses, and possible giveaways. That's it. Simple and quick. If you found this helpful, leave a comment and let me know you have completed it. Thanks for watching.